I'm Tommy Cartrite, and this is my wife, Valerie Cartrite. We lived in Sunray all our lives. In fact, my dad was born in the bedroom he sleeps in now, just south of here. And so we've been here forever, all our lives.
We were high school sweethearts. We went to college together for 4 years. I was an educator for 26 years. So we raised 2 daughters, and I had told Tommy that I would help get the kids through college and get the house paid off, and then I was coming home. But anyway, we've been married for 43. So out of that 49 years that he's been farming, I've been here for 43 with it.
I mean, growing up, I knew what I was going to do. I never wondered, about doing anything else. It's the way of life. You gotta love it to do it. Too many hours, hard work. BigIron, man, been a big help getting everything lined up and cleaned up. And September the 28th is the sale day at the open house. September the 24th. Got a 4275 Miller sprayer. Has a 1,400 gallon tank, stainless steel tank, 120 foot boom on 15-inch spacing, and it's got an inductor on it. Got a 8320R, real solid tractor, new tires. Got a 60-foot stack fold, V-set precision planting. I've got a 30-foot, 20-inch strip till rig. Got several new tires, sprinkler tires mounted on rims as well. Bell wrap, cotton bell wrap, the stripper wrap. Got some of that as well. Something for everybody. Appreciate y'all bidding on the equipment. Come out and bid and get a good buy. Thanks.